That's too close. Okay, let's see. Let's get a decent kind of situation going. Okay. Friends, look at what I have. 2 huge mystery boxes full of inventory that we are going to unbox today. Friends, there are so many different ways for you to get inventory for your online reselling business. Of course, you can go out sourcing at thrift stores. That's the most popular way people seem to get inventory for their Poshmark closet or their eBay store. You can also go to yard sales. You can go to the Goodwill clearance center or outlet called the bins. You can source online on sites like Thredup. I get rescue boxes from Thredup. I love it. I also use wholesale sites like Jomar Wholesale. There's so many ways to get inventory for your reselling business, but one way that I think is kind of overlooked is on Poshmark. There are many sellers on Poshmark that need to clear out inventory. I bought these 2 big 5-pound mystery boxes from one of our friends from the channel, Meredith. Hey Meredith! At Mickle Pickle Pie. You can find her on Poshmark at Mickle Pickle Pie. Maybe she'll have some of these boxes left available. They were really inexpensive. They're both 5 pounds, and she put them actually in a bag because that saves weight. So she reached out to me and said, hey, I'm really reorganizing my business. I'm changing things. I need to clear out a bunch of inventory. Do you want to buy some mystery boxes? And I'm like, yes.
I'm excited. I love a mystery box. Love a mystery box.
Friends, please know that I do include my bloopers at the end of the video. It's fun. We have a great time. So please watch the whole thing, stay till the end, and you get to see all the many ways that I mess up as I try and make reselling YouTube videos. Thank you. Okay, so I feel a lot of stuff in here. I have some scissors. I'm going to open it a little bit carefully. Sorry for all the noise. Anyway, if you're new here, I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel that just reached 1K. Thank you to all of you who came over to support me on that channel. It's called The Grateful Therapist, and it's all about mental health. Okay. Oh, look, there's a little note, I think. I'll show you my first peek. It feels like there's shoes in here. But, I'm a part-time reseller, and I've been doing it for about 10 years. I started on eBay selling my son Torvald's,
what's it called?
Selling my son Torvald's baby clothes, and then I started buying and selling my clothes, and it just grew. I was making too much money for me to just buy stuff, so I'm like, this is a real business. So I've been doing it for a long time, and the channel's all about reselling. I had to get creative to get all the items in the purse. Meredith Mickle Pickle.
Whoops.
Meredith's Mickle Pickle Pie username is a nickname after her daughter. Okay, so this is what I see. First, looks like some kind of like a dust bag or something, or, oh, this is how she shoved so much in here. Cute. This is a dust bag from the Real. Just a tip, you can sell dust bags alone. Like if you're at the bins or you're out at the thrift store and you see dust bags for name brand stuff or higher end designer stuff, you can sell just the dust bags. Okay, so this is what we see here. I love a mystery box. Let's just start pulling this stuff out. So there's a bag in here. A Kate Spade bag. Meredith. So that's what she meant in the note. She shoved everything in this Kate Spade bag. That's awesome. I love reselling handbags. A great way to get handbags. There are 2 ways that I get handbags to sell online. I get them from Thredup. You can get a handbag rescue box. They usually need a good amount of work. This Kate Spade bag is amazing, and it needs like to be restored. So it's in really good shape. There's no flaws, but I can tell the leather needs to be restored and the handles have a little bit of wear. But that is no problem for me. The other great place to get handbags is on Goodwill's website, ShopGoodwill.com. I have videos on all this stuff. She put the clothes in there. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, I see something new with tags and plus size. That's amazing. Lane Bryant, plus size sells amazing online. It's a little hard to find. These are new with tags, pants size 14, 16, so a 1X. Wow, these are like a wide leg silky palazzo pant. So that is really fantastic. I'm going to make a big pile here because guess what? I have the other one too.
So let me stop yapping about things.
Ooh, this is animal print and leopard print. I'm filming this in May 2021 and animal print is still so hot. This looks like a dress. It is a dress and it's Michael Kors and it's a 1X. So from the reseller perspective, Michael Kors is a good brand to resell, but plus size is amazing. So this is a plus size. Let me see what's going on with this baby. It looks like it has the open cold shoulder, kind of a high neck, and then it's got a belt at the waist. So this is awesome. And I'd say this is a midi length. So if a dress goes all the way to the floor, it's a maxi. If it is goes to like mid calf or a little below the knee, it's called a midi dress, M-I-D-I. So that's an awesome piece. We have 2 pieces so far, plus the Kate Spade bag. Oh, and there's something right here. This is like a Jenny Intimates 1X. Oh my God, and it's new with tags. It's a sleep shirt and it says, "Oh, hey, vacay." Friends, if at any point you are liking this video, if you like thrift hauls and unboxings, please be sure to hit that like thumbs up. It lets YouTube know we like these sorts of videos, and make sure you're subscribed. I put out a couple of videos about reselling, unboxings, thrift hauls every week, and I go live every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific. We'd love to see you there for Reseller Community Night. Thank you. I just did a recent Jomar Wholesale unboxing and it was all plus size, which is like, I have a hard time finding plus size. Oh, it looks like there's some, oh, this is the strap. This is the strap to the bag. So this Kate Spade bag, I can probably get $50 to $100 for this bag after I clean it up. So this is the crossbody strap. I thought it might be missing. You can still sell it with the crossbody strap missing and just say it doesn't have it, but it's in here. And some shoes. Wow. And you guys, I don't know exactly what her prices on these boxes are going to be or if she'll have them. I don't know what you'll get in your box, but it's worth a look. But they're very inexpensive for 5 pounds of stuff. These are Uggs. Uggs sell really well online, and these are super cute. They're like an espadrille slip-on shoe. Oh my God, these are so cute. With a bow detail. And they have a little bit of the sheepskin at the heel here. These are adorable. They're a size 6, so a good size. These, again, need just a little bit of a cleanup. When I sell things, I like to clean them up first, so I'll just have a shoe cleaning day. I have videos about how I clean shoes in the video, and some of my favorite tools to use to clean shoes and handbags are linked in the description section below. All my helpful links and things are down there. So anything that I use that I've already tested out that I think is a good value, I've linked it in the description section. Okay, so that was all the first box, and now we still have another one. I feel some shoes in here. Let me know in the comments, like, have you sourced on Poshmark?
Oh my God, really? This is the story of my life. I taped my finger together in the middle of a video.
Oh, you gotta just keep going. You're gonna do silly things in the videos and you just keep going. Anyway, in the comments, let me know, have you sourced on Poshmark for inventory? You could search for particular brands that you know resell for a lot, try and get them cheaper from somebody else and then resell them. Or you can get bundles or boxes like this. It's just so fun. Like, look at it. It's like, what's going to be in there? It's a total mystery. I see Chico's on top, which makes me super excited because in my eBay store, I sell a ton of Chico's. I sell a ton of mature women's brands. This is awesome. Chico size 3, and this is Traveler's collection. So their collections sell great. A 3 is an XL, and this is a tunic. Like a sheer tunic with like an embellished neckline. Lots of beading and everything. Great color, great for spring and summer. Lightweight, so that's awesome. Oh my God, I love the print on these. This is like a palm print. Love it. Okay, these are the wide leg crop size 8 by White House Black Market. So this is a brand I'm really keeping my eye out for now. It wasn't a brand that I was selling a lot. I overlooked it in the thrift stores, but then I did hear a lot of other resellers say it sells great for them, so I'm testing it out. These are awesome. They're an elastic waist, really wide leg pants. Like, that is so cute. Those would look great with like some platform wedge sandals or something. Look at this. There's just so much stuff just shoved in here. This was really generous of her. So keep your eye out for people that are liquidating inventory. It's a great way to get a good deal. Eddie Bauer, size small. I love selling fitness. These are super cute. For fitness, I really just focus on leggings like this, skinny leggings. I love the print on these. They look like they're in awesome shape. Eddie Bauer is pretty expensive. Wow, she got a lot in here. I am very, very grateful. Thank you. What are you grateful for today? My little therapist hat is going to go on now, and I'm just going to tell you the research on how gratitude practice, a daily gratitude practice, how that can change your mood and help people that struggle with any kind of depression. There's a ton of research on it. So I ask you, what are you grateful for today? Gratitude is a huge part of my life, hence the name, The Grateful Queen, The Grateful Therapist. It really does work for people to take time out to notice what in their life is working well and what they're happy for. So I'm extremely grateful that Meredith reached out to me and gave me all this great inventory at such a great price. And I thank you for watching. These are Alfani. They're a size 16. So this isn't a brand that I like go out looking for, but plus size I do look for. These look new. A black like career trouser, like a skinny leg, stretchy career trouser. Perfect. I might put, so like for a title, if you're new and you want to learn great keywords that help your items get found, on search on places like eBay and Poshmark, I would put Alfani women's pants, 16 plus size 1X. That way if they're searching for 16 or 1X, they'll find my item. And then I would put trouser, cropped, capri. I might put pixie, pull on. I might put career or work in the title. Oh, look at this cool textured knit. I just like a textured knit like that. It's kind of nubby. That's really cute. This is Loft plus size. How does she get all this plus size? Let me know in the comments. Do you find a lot of plus size when you're out thrifting? Like, I just don't. Like, when I'm at the thrift store, I just don't see a lot of plus size stuff. So, Loft plus size, like a nubby, textured, long sleeve shirt. That is super cute. I like that a lot. Oh my God, it's like, goes on and on. So much good stuff in here. Okay, J. Jill. My best-selling brand, most consistent flip over on eBay is J. Jill, especially in the big sizes, and these are size 18. Amazing. I can probably get $25, $30 for these. A pair of skinny, lightweight corduroy pants. Pull on with a couple little pockets. Yes, please. I mean, I have these great, amazing BOLO sales, like, wow, I sold something for $50, $100 that I got for a couple dollars. But please know that I sell a lot of things for $10, $12, $15, $20. That's what my business is kind of running on. And then I'll get a $50 shoe sale, or like I got a designer piece in a Thredup rescue box, or I was able to source something that I know sells for a lot. But I like a lot of flow in my store and closet. I like things selling and moving. As long as I'm making a profit often, I'll just accept offers or send out low offers. And the bread and butter stuff, like the J. Jill and the Loft and all that, it keeps my store going and keeps sales, then they add up a little bit at a time. So, all right, last item. Oh my God, cuteness, cuteness. Oh my gosh, these are Steve Madden espadrilles. I love an espadrille. They're classic. They don't ever go out of style. So the espadrille, when you see this kind of straw wedge there, that's what makes it an espadrille. And then it looks like this one has like a lace up. Super cute. I hope if these were my mom's size, they're a 9. I don't think they'll fit her, but she loves these. Grateful Babette, that's my mom. She's been on a few videos with me. She would love these. I don't know. I'm going to see. And Steve Madden sells great if it's a good size. Probably like a $20 flip plus shipping. So there we go. Thank you, Mickle Pickle Pie. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for staying with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. See you later, guys. Bye. I was supposed to do a kiss, like, but I did a, so that was weird. Let me do. See you later, guys. Bye. Flens, oh my gosh. So their collections, like Wherever collection, no, that's J. Jill. Of course, you can go to thrift stores, yard sales, estate sales. You can I don't know, what was the other one? The box. Yeah. Okay, see, I get excited. So I do videos on anxiety, being an introvert, anger management, all that kind of stuff. I'd love to say hi to you over there. We're resellers, but a lot of us also have real lives with issues and stuff too. So hopefully what I'm giving you is tips and tricks for reselling on Poshmark and eBay and any other place you sell online, Mercari, Depop, Facebook Marketplace, wherever it is. I don't know, maybe if I put my foot in these, like, could they fit? No, that's not gonna look good in the video. Ugh.